while the rest of the industry lags behind. We're moving forward with Clean, Seal, and Maintain. And here are some of the businesses we're proud to have protected. RZ Clean Seal. Sealing ducts, protecting business.
Now you've seen a little clip of what we do, we want to explain to you more now about why we are making a big impact. We reduce the waste to landfill from a restaurant by 15 kilograms per clean. We extend the life of the ductwork by up to 10 years after RZ EcoSeal has been put in the system. And also, the type of grease left on top of the seal does not stick to the fan motors, which increases the life of a fan motor by up to 40%.
Hi, I'm Jake. I'm the Sales and Operations Director of RZ Clean Seal. RZ Clean Seal has a huge impact on fire safety, reduces the grease build-up by up to 70%. The type of grease build-up that is in the system is less likely to set on fire, and a fully sealed system ensures no leakages, ensuring fire safety throughout a building. With our RZ Clean Seal method, we can save our clients up to 50% of their cleaning costs. The reduction in grease levels ensures we do not need to clean the system as often per year. RZ EcoSeal stops the grease from sticking to the fan motors, which increases the life of the asset. A fully sealed system uses 30% less energy than an unsealed system.